Hello there, and to all who come to this happy place, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Abby, and I upload a ton of Disney planning content here on my channel every Tuesday and Thursday. Today, I thought I would take you on a room tour of our room at Port Orleans French Quarter. We have a Riverview room, and we just checked in like 5 minutes ago. I literally just walked in the door. So, before we destroy it with all of our hurricane essentials, I'm going to give you guys a little tour. So when you walk in, you have, to the left you have a window with our river view. Very nice, very nice. And then we have a table and chairs. And then they did this little magical moment, which I thought was a really nice touch. I have stayed here before, but they didn't do that. You've got two queen beds here. We have a Snow White bookmark thing and a letter from the resort manager. And then we've got the beds. There is a ceiling fan in here, which is nice when it is hot. A giant flat screen TV, and then a dresser. You have the Keurig style coffee maker, lots of tea and creamer and cups, and an ice bucket. In all the refurbs, they seem to be doing these USB outlets, which is really nice when you don't have a block. But there's one there, and there's also one right there. So, plenty of room for storing electronics and charging them. There's also hooks and a little shelf and a bench so you can put your shoes on. And then the bathroom area is huge. On the left-hand side, you have an extra pillow and blanket, and then lots of space to hang stuff. And the safe is over there in that corner. And then you've got two sinks and storage underneath. There's a hairdryer in that bag right there. In the water closet, you have this super cute New Orleans Princess Tiana vibe shower curtain. And then you've got your towels, toilet, and they have the H2O products on the wall there. There's a bench, and then the tub and shower. So as you can see, these rooms are really nice. I'm really happy with them. We just checked out of All Star Movies this morning and are checking in here for the rest of the time that we're here, most likely barring any Hurricane Dorian hiccups. But it's amazing how much bigger this room is. I didn't feel like All Star Movies was like entirely cramped. Like, we were fine. There were 3 of us in there. There were only gonna be 2 of us in this room. Hannah went home this morning. But the extra space is going to be so nice when we're cooped up in here for a couple days. So, with that being said, if you have any questions about this resort, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I have a ton of Disney vacation vlogs coming in the next few weeks, especially since we are going to be cooped up in our room for a while. So, going to be doing a lot of editing and posting in the next couple days. With that being said, I'll talk to you guys with my next video. Bye!